Hi friends, myself Manish Narendra Patil. I am explain to supply chain management of dairy product. First of all, introduction of supply chain management. Supply chain management can be defined as the management of flow of product and services which begins from the origin of a product and end at product's consumption. Milk or the dairy products are very important or cheap source of gain to protein from the large vegetarian population in the country. The growth of the Indian economy, more people to able to afford milk and other dairy products easily. Supply chain management in the dairy industry is a process to handle all activities from the supplier to the consumer. Next, supply chain management of dairy industry. Supply chain management is the process of managing upstream and downstream value added flow of material. It also supplies related information among suppliers, the company, reseller, and final customer. Figure shows is basic supply chain management of any industry. Supplier, then company or business, and then consumer or customer. So first of all, supplier role, main role of supplier of the supply chain management. From the very beginning of any production, supplier are the main person who help a company to produce the desired product. In the production of the dairy industry, we can see there are lot of supplier who are ready to help. Second one is the company. The company and supplier have a inbound relationship because whatever a company needs at primary levels, supplier give them that. After then a company should go for production. In the case of Mondelez Dairy, there do some things. Then collection of raw material. As a Amul Dairy is a milk and dairy product processing company, they need a lot of milk for their production. Amul Dairy has a own dairy farm, but these are not enough or meeting our market demand. So they need to collect more raw materials from the outside of the farm. Actual procedure followed to the supplier to customer. First of all, cow grazing. Second one, harvesting of raw material. They are also classified in two process: hand milking a cow and machine milking of a cow. Then third one, storing milk. Fourth one, transport a milk. Fifth one, laboratory testing. Sixth one, processing milk. Seven, packaging, and eight, selling. Then product strategy of supply chain management. After collection of raw materials, Amul Dairy should go for the production process. Here the collection of milk should go for the pasteurization. The pasteurized milk is one of the food product of Amul Dairy. This product is the combination of whole milk, skim milk, standardized milk, and various type of cream. Amul Dairy also has various type of fruit product. Have a look: butter, cheese, fresh milk, ghee, powder milk, yogurt, and Cadbury dairy milk. Then after pricing strategy, the producer may apply a number of pricing strategies. For example, the producer may charge a high price for the high quality of a product. Other may use value pricing strategy with a lower price and quality. Total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. After distribution strategy, place and transportation are significantly related to the distribution of the product. The producer may go for selling their food product through conventional food store, selling through the online vending machine, mail or catalogs, home delivery, and door-to-door selling. Resellers. There are two forms of resellers in the supply chain management. First of all, dealers are wholesalers, and second was retailers. Retailers. After the production of product, the company sells into the dealers or wholesalers. Then wholesalers sell it to the retailers who bring the product to the final consumers. Promotional strategy. Promotion means the remain, inform or pursued. This is the most visible strategy for every company. At this stage, Amul obviously goes for the promotion of their product. Milk and dairy products are related to our daily life, so promotion can make awareness among the customer through first of all electronic media like TV, FM, radio, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Daily Motion, and print, etc. Second one, print media like newspaper, magazine, and poster. Third one, companion like school, college, and university. And fourth one, corporate ads. And fifth one is poster. Customer are the final use of the product. Customer are the final user of the product. Customer can their necessary good from retailers. Whatever the product set their price, consumer are ready to pay this because producer have well information about the customers, their taste and preference, their income, spending pattern, etc. Then application of micro project. First of all, develop better customer relationship and service. Second one, improvement productivity and business function and opportunity. Third one, minimize warehouse and transportation cost. Fourth one, expansion of distribution network, creative marketing and customer satisfaction. And sixth one is reduction in operational cost. Conclusion. Supply chain management has become one of the most important business functions in the today competitive global business. Supplying the right product at the right time with the right cost in the simple mantra for surviving. Thank you.